You should not gain any more weight. It will affect your health.
The doctor just warned you are eating unhealthy foods again. If you keep eating like that, you will really get sick. I go to work